to the Designblendz office. I'm going to walk you on a little tour and kind of show you how we're set up here. Starting on this side of the office, this is our visualization team. This is where all the animation work, renderings, floor plans, anything that's virtual that's going to become gets created on this side of the office. Maddie is one of our animators. She rigs all like really cool scenes in the background. She's actually working on a wedding venue right now in Dallas, Texas. Nick's materializing everything. Evan's kind of overseeing projects. Alexandra's one of our interior designers. Vivian's our graphic designer. This lady right here keeps us super organized. This is Sarah. Helps all the departments stay, on top of things, make sure that, as our clients come in, they're taken care of and directed to the right people here. Conference room. If you come here, it's a good chance this is where all of our clients come in. Architecture team. So everybody over here is working on anything from single family homes to, we also do a ton of multifamily stuff. Largest project we have in the office right now is a 278 apartment complex over 4 buildings. That is Scott right there. If you're doing architecture with our organization, you're gonna see this guy. Billy's our Director of Research and Development, so he handles a lot of our back-end software development.
We have enough resource to have a presentable package with renderings, material palettes, floor plans, and all kinds of things like that.
A lot of our guys, Jimmy, Jason, Chris, all doing production work, different projects in the city. Ashley handles all of our expediting and permit stuff down to the city. So come on downstairs. This is our construction office. So the guys down here are constantly out in the field. I think we're gonna go see a little bit of their stuff today that they're working on. You want us to come meet you at Murano? No? No, we'll go meet them out on the site. These are 2 high-end single-family homes that we're building for a developer client that's based out of Brooklyn. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.